Okay. Hello, my dear. Hello, hello, hello. Bakit ganon? Okay, very good. Okay. So, hello, my dear. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome or welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. My name is RJ, your tarot card reader. At ang gagawin natin today is yung ating daily collective reading. It's been almost a week na wala tayong daily collective reading, no? Pasensya na po, okay? Para na siyang hindi daily collective reading, para lang siyang bahala na si Batman reading, okay? Pero kagaya nga po ng sinasabi ko, sa tamang panahon, sa tamang oras, hahanapin ka po ng reading na ito, okay? So let me see, my dear. Let me see what kind of energy ang masasagap natin today. Tingnan natin. Focus na muna ako dito, ha? Okay, let us focus. Once again, sa tamang panahon, sa tamang oras, hahanapin ka po ng reading na ito. You are about to encounter a big transformation. Once again, you are about to encounter a big transformation. Okay, so yun ang pinaka-first card natin. So sinasabi dito, my dear, na it's more on parang, diba, announcement. Okay, announcement. Hey, collective, you will be having this big transformation. You will be having a change in your life. Okay, so tingnan natin what is going on with the world, mama. Okay, you're about to encounter a big transformation. Okay, tingnan natin. So, pag napanood mo to, ibig sabihin, very very soon or maybe as of this moment, nag-undergo ka ng big transformation. Okay? May mga bagay na nagbabago sa buhay mo. Okay? Tingnan natin. Let me see, my dear. Let me see. What is this? We have here. Ay! Wait lang. Okay. So, nag-ship yung ilaw ko. Kasi nga, madilim na sa labas. Okay? Kasi itong mga ilaw na to is solar itong mga to. So, wala nang liwanag sa labas. So, di ba? Para na ganun siya. Okay. We have here, somebody is very angry. Somebody is very angry. Okay? So, meron nagagalit because nagkakaroon ng transformation sa'yo. May nangyayari sa'yo. Okay? And somebody is very, very angry. Okay? So, galit na galit. Okay? Nagagalit yung energy coming from the outside. Like, bakit nagkakaroon ng transformation? Hindi ko gusto yung nakikita ko sa collective. I don't like this. Hindi ko gusto to nakikita ko na to. Okay. Let me see. Next card para sa ating collective is kasama ng ating, we have your energy ng Aquarius. Probably energy ng Aquarius, my dear. Okay. Si Aquarius ba yung nag-undergo ng transformation o si Aquarius yung galit? I think si Aquarius yung galit. Meron siyang Aquarius na sign, okay? Around the area of responsibility, okay? So, tingnan natin. Let me see. Don't publish your small achievement. It will ruin the upcoming. Once again, don't publish your small achievement. It will ruin the upcoming achievement. Okay. So, ang nakukuha ko, my dear, is more on energy na parang may naghihintay na mag-publish ka ng nangyayari sa'yo. Okay, merong energy coming from outside na clueless siya, as in like super clueless siya kung ano nangyayari sa'yo, and naghihintay siya na i-publish mo like yung mga small achievement mo kasi there's a tendency na kaya ka nagkakaganyan, ang nakikita niya lang sa'yo, my dear, is yung glow mo, yung aura mo, my dear. Yun na lang ang nakikita niya sa'yo na, okay, may something na nangyayari dito, may magandang nangyayari sa tao na to, Kaya siya nagkakaganyan. And gusto niya, my dear, na parang i-publish mo to. Like, nag-i-stalk to sa mga social media mo, my dear. Nagtatanong-tanong to or nag-ano-ano to, gumagawa to ng sarili niyang investigation, my dear. Because gusto niya malaman bakit ka nagkakaganyan. Okay? Anong nagpapasaya sa'yo? Bakit hindi ka affected? Okay, kung meron mang something na nangyayari sa life mo or meron man silang ginagawa against you, bakit hindi ka affected? Bagkos parang nagkakaroon ka pa ng something, nag-glow ka pa, nagta-transformation ka pa. Yun ang nakukuha ko dito, my dear. Pero this is a warning na don't publish at wag kang matempt na mag-post, wag kang matempt na mag-share, okay? Because meron mga tao that they are just fishing out there, okay? Nagfi-fishing lang, okay? Let me see, my dear. Oops! We have here, gusto ko tumakas, okay? Gusto kong tumakas, okay? This is the energy, my dear. Itong energy ng gustong tumakas, ito yung typical na parang gustong umalis. I can feel na parang may naguhugas kamay dito, my dear. Okay? May naguhugas kamay dito sa energy ng gustong tumakas. It's more on parang, ay, wala akong ginawa sa kanya. Wala akong kasalanan dyan. Okay? I can feel, my dear, na itong transformation na nangyayari sa'yo, my dear. Hindi ito yung ine-expect ng outside energy na mangyari. Hindi ito. They are expecting, my dear, na as of this moment, supposed to be wala ka na, or you are not good, that you're not okay, you're not functioning. Kasi by this time, supposed to be hindi ka na nagpa-function. Pero iba yung nangyayari, my dear. Iba. Okay. So, may naghugas ng kamay dito na nagsasabi na, okay, pero probably, baka meron silang mga ka-member or something na nagsasabi na, okay, wala akong ginawa sa kanya, wala akong kasalanan dyan. Okay, yung mga ganon. Okay. Let me see, my dear. Let me see. Next card, we have here, Spotlight. Kaya ka nagsashine, my dear, because you have here the spotlight. Diba? It is a blessing galing sa ating buong may kapal. Yung energy na nilalabas mo, my dear, is everyday yan pinoprovide sa'yo, my dear, ng ating buong may kapal. And wala silang magagawa dyan. Maski anong gawin nilang harang dyan, maski anong gawin nilang cover dyan, hindi nila mako-cover yan. Kasi, my dear, itong spotlight na to, my dear, is hindi ito yung spotlight na ilaw. Ito yung spotlight, my dear, na galing sa taas. Parang sinasabi ng ating buong may kapal na, it's about time for you to shine. Meron akong isa nilagay sa profile ko sa Facebook. Sabi kong ganon, remember that the star always shine on the dark. Hindi ka magniningning kung wala ka sa dilim. And yun ang eksaktong nangyayari ngayon. Yung shine na nangyayari sa'yo is because may darkness na nangyayari sa surrounding. Maybe some people are attacking you. Maybe some people is wishing you harm, okay? Or nakukuha ko talaga, my dear, na parang may nag-expect, my dear, na by this time, you are not okay. Pero you are okay eh. Kasi yung energy na nare-receive mo, my dear, is galing sa ating buong may kapal. Okay, parang sinasabi na, this is the time. Eto na yung time. Magsa-shine. This is the time, my dear, na mag-shine ka because ang daming nangyayari na nega. Okay? So, tingnan natin, my dear. Let me see. Yung nakita ko, you are a magnet. Okay, yun na nakita ko dyan. Na tinaob ko, you are a magnet. Okay, ibig sabihin, you have this magnetic aura. Okay, hindi ko lang nilabas. Okay, binalik ko lang. Tama ba ako? Ito ba yun? Ay, hindi. Ay, nawala na. Anyway, you are a magnet. Yun ang nakalagay doon. Let me see. Next card is you and your loved ones are safe. You are protected, my dear. You are protected. Kaya pala may naghuhugas ng kamay because nararamdaman nila na hindi nila maalaman kung saan nanggagaling tong energy mo. And nakakakutob na sila na okay, nanggagaling to sa somewhere and very very soon mapaparusahan tayo. Okay, so kinakailangan natin na ganito, ganyan, ganon. Okay? Sa dami ng ginawa sa'yo, my dear, you still manage to shine. And you keep on shining. Like a diamonds in the sky, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond, you're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. You and your loved ones are safe. Eh, ang problema, hindi sila kasama sa loved ones mo, so they're not safe. Char lang. Okay, we have your energy ng Cancer. If you have a family member or you are a Cancer zodiac sign, magre-resonate ka dito. Okay? Somebody is very mad, Aquarius. Possible na mag-resonate sa Cancer. Okay? But every zodiac sign is welcome over here. Okay? Kasi itong Aquarius na ito, hindi posibleng moon, rising, ascendant to. Okay? Itong Cancer, posibleng moon, rising, ascendant din to. Okay? So, yeah, collective nga eh. Pero if you are a water sign or Cancer, my dear, 100% receive mo to. Somebody is very jealous. They cannot believe. They cannot... Somebody is very jealous, somebody is very angry because of bakit you're still alive. Bakit? Anong meron? Bakit nagsha-shine ka? Bakit nag-glow ka? Diba supposed to be napakarami mong problema, dapat balisang-balisa ka as of this moment. Dapat nag-iiyak ka ngayon. Dapat nag-hysterical ka ngayon. Why? Bakit? Because the cards say na yung energy mo is coming, nanggagaling sa ating buong may kapal. Love your inner child. You have this inner child na energy na posibleng gusto nilang tanggalin sa'yo. The very playful, the very loving na energy na gusto nilang tanggalin sa'yo, my dear. Pero no, sabi ng ating buong may kapal, no. You need to enjoy. Ginawa ko tong playground na ito, itong mundo na to be your playground. So you need to enjoy. I will be taking care of these people for you. Yari ka ngayon. Yeah, buti na lang ako. I love everybody. Wala akong hate na ini-spread, okay? Toxic na katrabaho, maybe toxic na katrabaho, toxic na workmate, okay? Balimbing, dalawa ang mukha, okay? Maalala ka lang pag may kailangan. And meron palipad hangin over here. Okay. Sa mga toxic na katrabaho mo, sa mga balimbing at dalawa ang mukha, sa mga tao na naaalala ka lang pag meron kailangan, sa mga dumagawa ng palipad hangin.